Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align text top middle in Excel text box. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu. Now I am select the text box option and draw a text box. Then write anything. Now I am write some text. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse and go back the home menu. You can increase the font size. Now we want to make the alignment top and middle. Select the text and select the middle option and select the choose option and choose the center. Now we can see we align text top and middle in text box very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.